Welcome back guys to another video. My name is Gart Adventure. Today's menu guys, I'll be cooking some stew peas and rice, three kinds of meat today, which is pigtail, salt beef, and some chicken foot as well in this guys. So this is my chicken foot. I already cut off the toes, the nails, clean it up already. So, and this is I'm scaling off my beef and my pigtail right now guys, because you know we gotta boil off those salt. So stay tuned guys, and thank you again guys for coming back to watch my videos guys. Thank you so much, I appreciate it. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much guys. You mean everything guys for coming back to watch my videos as well. And for those who recently subscribed to the channel, thank you so much guys, I appreciate it. Love, one love guys. So now stew peas and rice guys. Stay tuned guys, come along with me. Today I'm going to show you. I already prepare all this. I cleaned up with some vinegar as well, so I'm going to pre-cook it in the peas as well. So come along with me guys. So let me show you about a little bit closer here guys. Well yes guys, this is what I'm boiling off right now. Scalding off the beef and the pigtail. Take out a little salt. Well, this is my peas so far. So I'm gonna add in my chicken foot in it as well, so let it cook down with the peas as well guys. So stay tuned for that guys. So it's chicken foot guys. See, I already chopped it up. So, and my beef there and pigtail. Yes guys, you can see here I'll be taking in close to show you a little bit about my ear. My stew peas, you can see it's coming on looking good, as I'm still preparing that pigtail and salt beef guys. I'm still scalding it off, so I'm gonna take the salt from out of it. So it looks like peas already cooked. I'm waiting to put in my pigtail and salt beef. So stay tuned guys. Guys, I'll be adding in my pigtail right now. See here, it's my pigtail and salt beef. So I'll be adding in this right now. Guys, so it looks like. Taking a little bit closer. Okay. Let's see. Peas. So I'm gonna let this cook for a little bit, guys. This meat getting tenderized before I add in my seasoning. So I'll be adding in scallion. I'll be showing you what I add to this, guys. So yes guys, thank you so much guys for watching my videos guys. Thank you so much guys for coming back. Guys, stew peas and rice, three kinds of meat guys. You can see I add in pigtail, salt beef, and chicken foot as well. So guys, so stay tuned guys. and you know we got to do the white rice with it as well. So stay tuned, guys. And remember, guys, if you like this video, guys, I appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much. And I know you like this video, so guys, remember, give the video a like and leave a comment in the comment section and tell me what you think about today's cooking video, guys, if you like it, guys. And remember, guys, tell me what you would like me to cook, guys. I'll surely cook it for you guys. So leave a comment and tell me what would you like me to cook, guys. Appreciate it, guys. Stay tuned. Yes, guys, I'll be doing some carrot today, carrot juice. So I'm going to prepare all these carrot, guys. I gotta go and blend it up. So let me clean up these carrot for a moment, guys. So you see here, I'm gonna scrape it. See. Off for a little bit. This is off. This is here, guys. Take it too much in this scraping all these carrots, guys. So carrot juice as well, guys. I'm gonna mix it just with lime and sugar only. Guys, camera. Guys. Stay tuned, guys. The juice in my carrot juice here. Making carrot juice, guys. See? Drain for a little bit. Some more carrot to this. Some water. So this carrot juice is all about just natural, guys, with just lemon, lime, and sugar. That's it, guys. Okay, guys, I'll catch you back when I finish this and start mixing it. I'll show you what I use inside of it, guys. So stay tuned. So guys, I'll be adding in some ginger as well. guys. Wow. Some ginger. So this is what I'm gonna do it now, guys. Some carrot juice of ginger. Yes, guys, I'll be adding in some spinners, some flour. So making some spinners, guys. Yes, guys. Need my spinners. Guys, tell me what you think, guys, about today's video. Guys, it's about maybe like 2 hours now. Actually, 1 hour and 45 minutes. Now since it been on the fire here, guys, so gotta get this spinners together. Then I put my seasoning to it, like my scallion, thyme, and onions. So stay tuned, guys. Let's sit for a little bit, so stay tuned. I'll be back, guys. So guys, I'll be adding in my spinners, guys. See? Adding my spinners. A whole lot of spinners, guys. Wow. Look at this. See, coming off looking. I haven't seasoned up the pot as yet. Stay tuned, guys. Guys, I'll be adding in my thyme and my onion and scallion. It's my brown seasoning, guys. This is how it looks like. of it, guys. Look at it. Oh, looking delicious, guys. See? My stew beef. My big stale. My chicken foot, guys. I'm gonna cover this down. So stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna put my rice on now. So stay tuned, guys. Tell me what you think about today's video, guys. Remember, like the video, guys. Please like the video. Appreciate it. God bless you all, guys. So it looks like, guys. Stewed peas and rice. Yeah. Guys, stewed peas and rice, guys. Look at that. Delicious, guys. Stewed peas and rice. Looking good. Guys, let me take a bite from it here, guys. Guys. Stay tuned, guys. It's hot. Guys, stewed peas and rice. Spinners. Tail, guys. Beef. Thank you so much for watching, guys, my videos. I'll catch you in the next video, guys. Remember to like the video, guys. Please like the video and leave a comment in the comment section as well. And tell me what you think about today's video. I'll catch you in there, guys. Bye for now.